Now think about the Bible. The Bible has 1,189 chapters. It has 31,103 verses. This book is the most connected book in the Bible. This book puts every prophecy, a third of the Bible is prophetic, actually 28%. It connects them all and shows you where they fit and what they mean. Is there anything you ever wondered what a prophecy means? Every prophecy in the Bible fits in the book of Revelation. It's actually kind of like when I used to teach this class, when I was young and had lots of room in my bags, I would always bring to this class a box with a jigsaw puzzle inside. And the whole time up here, so you can just imagine this, I'd be shaking my puzzle box like this while I was introducing the book of Revelation. And then, when I used to talk faster and didn't have to be in a rush, I would open the box and I would have a bunch of you young people come and grab one piece of the puzzle. And I'd have them stand up here, 5 or 6, and I'd say, look at your puzzle piece and tell me what the puzzle is a picture of. Do you think anybody could tell what it was? Are you kidding? Have you ever seen a puzzle piece? You can't even find one that goes next to it, let alone what the whole thing looks like. That's why it's a puzzle. And then, while they're all looking at their pieces, I flip over my box, and what's usually on the front of the box? The picture of what is cut up into 1,000, 2,000, however many pieces. Did you know you can figure out a puzzle really fast if you look at that picture? You find the edge, you look at the color blops, you put the pieces kind of in groupings, and all of a sudden it starts fitting together. The picture on the front of the puzzle box is the book of Revelation. And there are 31,100 pieces, the verses of the puzzle. Revelation shows where all of them fit. Oh, it's my favorite book. It's what I did my dissertation on at Dallas Seminary. There are 404 verses in the book of Revelation, 800 cross-references. Now, if you use Logos, one of the resources in Logos, I don't know if you have it, but it's called, in Logos, TSK, Treasury, Scripture, Knowledge. It's something, a project, I think R.A. Torrey, Dwight L. Moody's successor, started, and it was a project to find every cross-reference where what the Reformers called analogia scriptura, the analogy of Scripture. In other words, the Bible explains the Bible. That's what a cross-reference is. It's where this verse in the Bible, you can find that talked about somewhere else in the Bible, a cross-reference. So they made the Treasury of Scripture Knowledge, this project, they made 500,000 cross-references they found in the Bible. It's amazing. Book of Revelation has the most. 800 plus references, allusions, and quotations to the rest of the Scripture.